Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see how to live stream from WordPress. To do it, we are going to create an account on the wpstream, connect that account to the WordPress and create a page and host a live. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First, we are going to create an account on wpstream. Go to wpstream.net or follow the link in the description. Click my account. Now let's create an account. Enter all the details and click register. This is the dashboard of the wpstream. As you can see, we are offered a free trial package that includes 500 megabytes of bandwidth and 100 megabytes of storage. It's enough to run an HD stream for an hour with 10 minutes of HD recordings. If this isn't enough for you, you can opt for a higher plan which starts at $19 per month. Now let's connect wpstream to the WordPress. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New and search for wpstream. Install and activate this plugin. Once done, go to wpstream and enter the email and password of your wpstream account. And click Save Changes. Now let's create a page for live. Go to free live channels and free videos. Click Add New. Give the page a name and click Publish. Now let's view the page. This is just a basic and default template, but you can customize it if you want. Click Start Live Event. It may take up to 2 minutes to start the event. Once started, we can either go live from the browser or from the external software. I would always recommend starting the live from the external broadcaster. To do it, click Go Live with External Broadcaster. So now we have the server address and the stream key. Now we need an external broadcaster to stream. For that, we are going to use OBS. It's a free and open source software for live streaming and video recording. To download it, go to obsproject.com or follow this link. Choose your machine to download the software. Install and open it. On the OBS, go to File and Settings. Now click Stream and here paste the server address and the stream key. Finally, click OK. Now click Start Streaming. I am going to select Display Capture so that my display will be live streamed. If you want to stream from the camera, you can click Add and select Video Capture. Now let's see if it works. Get back to the live page. As you can see, it starts to load. And it works. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.